Hello and welcome. We're going to get you up and running with Greenlight AI and Claude Code in less than 2 minutes. First thing, make sure you have Claude Code installed. Once you've done that, go over to the App Store on your iPhone, type in Greenlight AI, search for it. Should be the first one that comes up. Go ahead and click download, downloads, and then open it. While you're here, go ahead and accept notifications. That'll be important for getting those from Claude. Click over to the About tab and go ahead and copy your device ID. I emailed it to myself because you'll need to paste that into whatever server is running Claude. In my case, it was on my laptop. Next up, we're going to install the command line interface. In your browser, wherever you're running Claude, go to aigreenlight.app or find it with your favorite search engine. On that page, you can scroll down or click the button to get installed with Claude Code. From there, we're just going to copy the install command shown there in step 2. And then we open it up in our terminal, paste that in. It downloads, installs. It might require you to run your password. You're then, to verify it, can run which Greenlight. Make sure it's in your path. If you also want, you can run Greenlight --version just to make sure it's showing it installed correctly. Next, we get the device ID that we emailed or sent to ourselves, and we're going to do Greenlight register and paste that in. Note that this is a sensitive secret. You don't want to share this. In this case, I used a dummy one for the demo. And once you've done that, you are all installed. We're now ready to spin up a session using our new app. If you have an existing Claude Code project, go ahead and into that. In this case, I'm going to create a directory for it. Greenlight Claude tutorial demo. I'm going to go into that directory, and then all you do is type Greenlight Connect --project space and give it a name. I'm going to ask Claude to create an omelet recipe, so I'm calling it omelet_recipe and hit return. Once you do that, if you have Pro enabled on Greenlight app on your phone, you'll get a push notification. Otherwise, you'll need to open the app and have it open. Go ahead and approve the new session, and then you'll see back in your Claude terminal, this was the first time I ran it, so I need to grant approvals. But after that, you're ready to go. You can type in commands to Claude from your laptop, or again, if you have Pro, you can do it from the app. So notice there are several different sessions along the bottom. I click on the one I just created, and I'm going to go ahead and give it a command. You can see that command arriving at the terminal, and Claude is working from the laptop and the API. But it needs a permission. Again, with Pro, it pushes a notification to the app to request that permission. In this case, I'm going to always approve, and we're going to go through a few more steps. Note that because I previously gave it approval to write to the directory, it does not ask again when I tell it to create a markdown file. But when I ask it to generate an audio file, it needs a new tool, so it does send a permission request. I approve that. And then I can even ask it to play the audio file, which again is a new tool. So it requests permission one more time, and then we are done. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our channel where we'll always post new tutorials as we release additional features.